Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working on our September Build a Journal challenge where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. And today is September 29th. Today's video, we are making a journal topper. So if you don't know what a journal topper is, it is literally something you make to go on top of your journal. Journal topper. So we are making something that will then get glued to the top of our journal. This is the top of our journal. We're making something that will go on top of our journal. That's all a journal topper is. It's a separate piece to go on top of a journal. You can make them ahead of time. You can make a bunch of them so you always have them on hand. But that's basically what it is. So I went through my scraps and I found these two scraps that I think I'm going to use for my journal topper. These come from the scrap pack from Walmart. Okay, they're a cool texture. I cannot remember what size my journal is. It's been a really long time, 5.5. So I want to cut this down to 4.5. Okay, I don't want it bigger than 4.5. So I'm going to cut this down to 4.25. No, I'm just going to do 4. 4 sounds good. And then this one to 4.5. I have a plan for the cover, and I don't care if my plan hangs over. You'll see what I mean in a second. I don't care if what I'm using hangs over this piece here. I just want it for a little bit of contrast. And because it is a bumpy mess, I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. So, excuse me. Okay, while I do this, what are you guys doing today? I'm doing laundry. Lots and lots of laundry, and I'm getting texted like every 5 minutes. My dad is getting his car inspected, and he has been stuck. He goes to Firestone, and I told him not to go to Firestone, but nobody ever listens to me. He's been stuck there since 8:30, and it is 12:30. My dad is disabled. I'm not happy about this. I wanted him to either, but then he would have been screwed. This is what happens. I don't know if you have a Firestone near you and you go to Firestones, but this is what happens at a Firestone. You take your car and you have an appointment. He had an appointment for 8:30, and then it sits there, and they take their grand old time so they could charge you more and more and more. They are the most horrific place. My Firestone, anyway, mine, I don't know about you guys, but my local Firestone is freaking ridiculous. You get ripped off, they don't fix your car right, and they're just trash there. Plain and simple. So my dad's my handicapped, disabled father who broke his back in Vietnam serving his country has been sitting for 4 hours in a hard plastic chair waiting for his car to be done. I'm not happy. And you may ask, well, Mimi, why didn't you go pick him up and just drop him off? Because Mimi don't drive. Fun fact. My severe anxiety doesn't even allow me to be in a car comfortably. Isn't that nice? I hate being in a car. So I don't drive. My son's at work. He doesn't drive either. He has his permit. And my boyfriend works late, so he's not here to get him. So there's that. But I'm angry. I'm very, very angry. Okay, so I used my KS Craft truck die. I told you that in a previous video. It was what I was using. And I used the fall. Let me put this away. I don't want to just shove it in a spot. I put it away. And I cut everything out off screen. So here it all is. Here is my pile of stuff. I dug through till I found this really nice plaid. Okay, so I have this. We have that. We have, this was the window. I can get rid of that. And we have this. Is that right? Or does it go this way? It goes this way. So we have that. Okay. I'm going to pop up some of this on foam to give it a little bit of dimension because then I can put all of this stuff behind. We have our tires. We have our bumper in silver glitter because why not? We have our mirrors and more glitter. Okay, and then we have our license plate. We have black, and I have the letters somewhere that spell out fall. And where's the F? Oh, where's the F? Where is it? Please don't tell me I lost it. It's got to be under here somewhere. I literally did not lose the F. Okay, so we have sunflowers, we have the, oh, there's the F, hiding under a leaf. We have pumpkins, we have sunflowers, we have acorns, and we have leaves. This was just to cut out the word fall. We can get rid of that. Let's get our mirrors on first. Okay, get my glue so we don't lose our mirrors, because I feel like they're going to get lost. There it is. I had it backwards. I don't care how they go on. They just need to be on. How is that for a... I think they're backwards, but ask me if I care right now. I don't. Okay. Fun fact, my quick stick stuff stuck to the glitter of the mirror. Well, that really stinks. Can I get it off? Okay, so fun fact, don't use a quick stick on glitter. Did not know that. On glitter paper. Alright, we're just... Okay, so at some point my camera stopped recording. Guys, I'm having a really bad day. This has been a really, really crappy recording day, and I just wanted to get this stuff done so I could concentrate on working on my craft room. So I wanted to film all these videos. So at some point, when my camera stopped recording, you didn't get to see everything. So I don't know where it stopped recording. I put everything together. I popped these up on Dimension. Okay, see, both of these are popped up on dimensional foam. I put the fall on here, and I put it on crooked. I did say if you wanted to, let me see if I fall. If you wanted it straight, you just line this up and then add them into the where it's cut. That is how you can get your stuff straight. I don't know if you got that in the last video or not, but so I put those on. I put everything on. I inked up everything. I put the tops on the acorns. I put the middles in the sunflowers, and I put the layering pieces on the pumpkins, and I glued the pumpkins in here. I'm so sorry, you guys. This has been a really bad recording day. I'm going to finish this up, and I think I'm going to be done, because God knows what else could happen today. Alright, so I want to put like a sunflower here and maybe a leaf. And then let's put a sunflower up here and a leaf. Okay. And then let's do an acorn on the corner here. I'm just trying to figure out where I want everything to go. Do 2 sunflowers and a leaf up there. Looks great. Let's do an acorn and a leaf, and then an acorn there, and then that right there, and that right there. How's that look? Great. That's how it's gonna be. I'm so sorry. Pardon my language, but this has been a shit show. I'm honestly so frustrated right now. And I didn't catch it. Usually I would catch it. That's why I use a webcam. It's why I use a webcam. It's so I can look up and I can see if I'm in screen. I can see if I've stopped recording. It's alright. I'm gonna be okay. I'm definitely taking a break after this, and then I only have 2 more videos to record today. And I'm gonna record them because I kind of have to. I don't want to be like, there we go. Let's put it off to the side like that, and then, all right, looks okay. It's good enough. Let's put this little acorn underneath this pumpkin. Well, at least you saw how the truck die worked for the most part, right? You saw the pieces, you saw everything. There we go. At least it looks like it's in the truck. And then let's put this red leaf behind this. We don't need 2 red leaves there, do we? No. Let's put it there. Okay, what do you guys think? I like it. It looks good. And then we're just gonna put it right there. Should I cut this down a little bit? No. But I kind of need something there. What can I put there? Or should I just put this in the middle? Well, let's put it in the middle. I like it in the middle. Okay. Problem solved. We're going to use Fabri-Tac because of... I wonder if you can hear my washer stopping. Can you guys hear that? I will find out in editing. I'm just curious. I mean, I don't care if you hear it because it's a washer and I gotta get my wash done. And this is stuff that's going to happen being in the basement. Okay. I mean, this looks so cute. I mean, despite like the sucky time I'm having, it looks so cute. There we go. We're going to put my phone on top of there and put it aside while I clean up and we talk about what tomorrow is. So for tomorrow's video, it's the last video. Okay? It is the last in this series and you are finished. I honestly don't know what's going on. I think my USB port might be a little loose because now I know how my camera turned off. I bumped the cord for my webcam and I believe that's what it turned off, how it turned off. So I have to investigate that when I'm done, but it just turned off again. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it's doing that. It's never done that before. But anyway, tomorrow is our final day. I probably already said that. I don't know. It's a day. So tomorrow's our final day. Where's my paper? All right. And tomorrow we're adding our topper to our cover. So here is my topper. And it will get added to our cover tomorrow. Why are we waiting till tomorrow to add to our covers? Because you may want to add something else. You may come back and say, this needs something. It happens. That's why I want you to take your time, because you just never know. So yes, tomorrow's the last day, and then that's the 30th, and then October 1st will be a flip through of my entire journal, so you can see everything that we have done for the month of September. All right? I'm really sorry about this freaking craptastic video. I'm so unbelievably frustrated right now. You don't even know. Thanks so much for joining me today, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think of my topper. I love it. It's so cute. This truck, if you don't have this truck die, you're missing out. It's going to be in my Amazon storefront, okay? The truck die and all of, if I can link them on Amazon, they will be there, okay? Because sometimes it sells out, so you don't know if you can get it or not, but everything will be there. Okay, so comment down below. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, and hopefully it doesn't stop recording in the middle. Have a great rest of your day.